Alright guys, let's do a quick one on top-down analysis. I'll be using the RIF for this case study. Now, when we talk about top-down analysis, what you want to look about, number one, is to understand the nature of the market, right? Meaning that you understand the environment that you are going to be trading on. Now, if you look at this particular chart now, this is on the daily time frame. I'm sure you will notice that the market has been what? Printing bearish, right? You can see we have price moving from top right, top left to what? Down right. You can see. So the market is what? Bearish. Now, this has been ascertained. On the daily time frame, which is the higher time frame, the market is bearish. So what we'll be looking at for now is sell opportunity, right? We'll be looking for selling opportunity. Whenever you see a buy movement here, it's just a counter trend, right? And any buy position you see is just a pullback for price to give you an impulse. And if you notice right now, we just completed a phase of a pullback, right? Price pull back into the zone. Now it's coming down, right? Now if you look here right now, price, this was the first low, last low that was created, and this was the last high that was created, right? So until price is able to break above this high, then we are still in a bearish movement, right? So even though if the price breaks above this one, this is not the recent high, this is the high that gave birth to this low, right? This low gave birth to this high. Until this particular high is taken out, then we can now say that we have what? Change in market trend, right? Then that is where we're talking about looking for buying opportunity. So if you want to stay profitable in the market, make sure you are trading according to the trend. So I'm going to be leaving this here as a case study, right? So right now, price is here, so we are looking for sell. Let's come to 4-hour time frame. Right now, on the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? You will notice that we have price giving us this high here, right? Price has given us this high here. So what you want to do, you want to look for a way to look for what? Key levels where the market can come so that you can go in for your what? Your sell. Because what we are looking at to do here, we are looking for sales, right? Now I can also just bring this one here. I can also do this here as my what? Take profit level, right? So now let's go in further. What can we see on the 4-hour time frame, right? You can see price is giving us this what? Impulsive movement, right? Impulsive movement. So how do we join this particular market now? Now we are late to the party. Why? Because here we would have entered in for a sell here, right? You can see the flip zone. We have initial what? Support, which is now a resistance. So if you are selling from here, you would have made some profit. We want to wait for price to come into this zone, right? Probably break below this zone. Then that's where you're going to be looking for more selling opportunity. Very smooth. Now this is how you can make money in the forex market. Now let's come to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, what can we see? There's really no chart pattern there where we can enter for a trade opportunity. Mind you are looking for what? Selling opportunity. Now you can just enter from here, right? You can see we have a level of support here that price is bringing out from here. So except if you want to apply a break and retest strategy, so as a trader you want to just catch the move, right? So now you're looking for price to break below this level of support, then you go in for your sell. Let's come to 15-minute time frame for our entry. Now on 15-minute time frame you can see that we have supports being established here, right? So you are not don't look for buys, right? Because if you look for buys, the market can just take you out. Definitely we have another high here, you can see here. So price can just consolidate around this region for a while, then break below, then sell, right? So what you'll be looking at for here is what? Selling opportunity. Wait for price to break out of this zone here, then you apply for your sell. This is basically how you can analyze the market. In less than 5-10 minutes, you are done. Why? Because you are not looking to counter trade. After you have examined the market movement, market direction of the market, right? Make sure you are trading according to the direction of the market. That is how you can stay profitable. On the daily time frame, the market is bearish, right? Now on the 15-minute time frame, we're having a double bottom here. So wait for that double bottom to get disrespected. Let the market break that support. Wait for a pullback, then you go in for yourself. This is how you can become profitable in forex markets, right? I'm using the synthetic indices to let you know that this strategy works in all pairs, right? So if you find value in this video, make sure you're following me, subscribe to this channel. We are also open for registration in our first academy. You want to join us online, whatever part of the country you're watching from, you can participate. This is what we made for us, so simple for you to understand. I'll catch you. The link to join us will be in the description below. Thank you for doing that, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. God bless you.